Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hot sauce for burger. Roast peppers and aromatics under high heat until skins blacken, then cool and peel. Seed removal is optional for heat control. Blend peppers with vinegar, salt, and a little sugar until smooth. Simmer briefly to meld flavors, then cool and adjust acidity or salt to taste. Bottle and refrigerate. Sauce develops flavor over a day. Use on burgers generously. Start with a base of roasted peppers, about 2 cups chopped. Use vinegar ratio 1 part vinegar to 2 parts peppers for balanced acidity. Add salt, sugar, and optional garlic or onion to taste. For heat, include seeds or a hot pepper like jalapeno or habanero cautiously. Blend until smooth, then cook 5 to 10 minutes to meld. Cool, taste, and store in a clean bottle in the fridge. Use within 2 weeks. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes cleanup effortless after messy burger nights, with voice control and smart mapping that vanishes crumbs while you relax. I like its reliable pickup and easy scheduling. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you enjoy it, please let me know. Now let's get back to the video. Control heat by removing seeds and membranes, which hold most capsaicin. Taste as you go and dilute with vinegar or sugar if too spicy. For smoky flavor, char peppers over flame or use smoked paprika. Puree to desired texture and strain for silky consistency or leave seeds for more bite. Always cool before bottling to avoid pressure buildup. Label with date and spice level for future reference. Share with friends and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.